Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Dynamics 365 with SSO for remote sales teams, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Dynamics 365 with single sign-on for remote sales teams, start by ensuring that your organization has Dynamics 365 and Azure Active Directory set up. Log into your Azure portal with administrative credentials. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section in the portal. Select App Registrations from the left-hand menu. Click on New Registration to create a new application for Dynamics 365. In the registration form, enter a name that clearly identifies the application. Choose Accounts in this organizational directory only as the supported account type. In the Redirect URI section, select Web and enter the URL for your Dynamics 365 instance, followed by /sign-in-oik. After filling in the required fields, click on Register to create the app. Once registered, take note of the application, client, ID and the directory, tenant, ID. Locate the Certificates and Secrets tab in the left-hand menu of the app registration. Click on New Client Secret to generate a client secret for your application. Add a description for the secret and set an appropriate expiration period. Click Add and copy the secret value somewhere secure, you will need it later. Now, navigate to the API Permissions tab within the app registration. Click on Add a Permission to set the appropriate permissions for Dynamics 365. Select APIs my organization uses and search for Dynamics CRM. Choose Dynamics CRM and then select Delegated Permissions. Check the permissions you want to grant, typically user_impersonation. Click Add Permissions to apply these settings. Next, move to the Dynamics 365 application settings. Log into your Dynamics 365 instance as an administrator. Open the Settings menu and go to Administration. Select System Settings from the drop-down options. Navigate to the General tab in the System Settings. Locate the Authentication section and choose Azure Active Directory as the authentication type. Ensure the settings align with your Azure configurations, including the application ID and redirect URI. Input the directory ID you previously noted from the Azure portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.